Food stores and restaurants that provide takeout and delivery services continue to generate a large amount of food packaging trash. The situation is getting unsustainable. Over 40% of all plastics manufactured globally now are used to wrap food and beverages. While consumers are frequently rebuked for not making mindful choices when shopping for food, they are frequently denied options or compelled to purchase overpackaged foods or single-use containers used by restaurants to transport their dishes. Supermarkets and restaurants must step up to break the loop. Getting started with one of these environmentally friendly food packaging firms is a great idea. But the question is, why do we need alternatives to sustainable food packaging? Every day, hundreds of millions of single-use foil, cans, and trays used to bag goods, non-biodegradable containers, straws, and plastic cutlery used in food takeout and deliveries are wasted worldwide. Despite their convenience, some of the most fashionable food packaging materials are, however, harmful to the environment. We recently analyzed some of the most commonly used food packaging materials, such as glass, paper and paperboard, metal, and, of course, plastic. Despite its significant environmental imprint, the low cost and adaptability make it a popular choice among food manufacturers. Although glass and metal have a smaller environmental impact, the chemical compounds in them make them exceedingly deadly once discarded. Even paper and paperboard, which are frequently mistaken for more environmentally friendly materials, require up to 3 times the energy required to create plastic, and they're practically hard to recycle after coming into contact with food. While none of the traditional and most widely used food packaging materials are sustainable, the situation is not all bad. A growing number of companies and startups, primarily in North America, are spending time and money in the development of alternative packaging materials that are easy to recycle, reuse, compost, or biodegrade, and hence have a low environmental impact. The food industry, like many other industries, is undergoing a revolution in terms of identifying sustainable alternatives and satisfying expanding sustainable customer needs. Here are some of the most innovative sustainable food packaging solutions on the market, as well as the companies behind them. Number 1. Avocado Pits as a plastic substitute for cutlery. In order to develop more sustainable alternatives to conventional materials while reducing food waste, an increasing number of companies have discovered ways to use agro-industrial waste to manufacture food packaging. Mexico-based BioPhase has successfully created a one-of-a-kind technology for converting avocado pits into biodegradable products. Rather than dumping them, the company gathers pits and converts them into bioplastic. This is then transformed into cutlery, plates, straws, and containers that may disintegrate easily and naturally in landfills or on land. The avocado pit-based bioplastic accounts for 60% of the goods, with the remaining organic ingredients ensuring suitable mechanical and physical qualities. Unlike petroleum-based plastics, which disrupt the natural carbon cycle, the carbon in the company's products is reintegrated into the natural cycle. BioPhase's food packaging and cutlery are exported to more than 25 countries worldwide and are produced completely in Latin America, utilizing almost 130 tons of avocado seeds each month. Number 2. Sustainable beverage packaging. Aluminum, cardboard, glass, and plastic beverages are packed in a variety of ways all across the world. Every year, we use 180 billion cans of beer and soda, over 6,700 cans every second, and 1 million plastic bottles per minute. Fortunately, some companies have transformed the beverage sector by offering considerably more environmentally friendly packaging solutions. British Garson Wines, for example, has designed flat bottles made of recycled PET plastic that are 87% lighter than glass. Because of the novel shape and exceptionally light weight of the material, the company is able to pack bottles tightly into cartons without the need for additional packaging. Because they take up less space than traditional round-shaped wine bottles, they allow for up to 91% more products to be packaged on a single shipping pallet. Due to the efficient use of space, reduced loading time, and use of less packaging material, the company is able to cut nearly half of its emissions. Similarly, Frugalpack, a British company, created a method to replace glass bottles with cellulose fiber bottles for wines, sake, and spirits. The Frugal bottle is comprised of 94% recycled paperboard and weighs 5 times less than glass. Despite not being completely biodegradable, the concept has a substantially reduced carbon footprint, approximately 6 times that of ordinary bottles, making it an excellent alternative, not only to glass, but also to plastic bottles, with the potential to revolutionize the beverage packaging sector. Number 3. Sustainable cornstarch, popcorn, and mushroom-based food packaging. Cornstarch-based packaging has been shown to be a good biodegradable substitute for styrofoam and plastic containers. Cornstarch, which is used to make plates, bags, trays, and boxes, is part of a larger movement of new bioplastics generated from agricultural waste and byproducts that offer a viable and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional packaging materials. Polylactic acid is used to make this type of packaging. PLA, which is derived from renewable sources, is one of the world's most popular bioplastics, and one of the most commonly used biodegradable materials in food packaging. Cornstarch provides a number of advantages. Apart from being an unlimited, economical, and readily available ingredient, these packets are also 100% biodegradable, recyclable, and compostable, as well as free of dangerous pollutants, making them environmentally acceptable choices. However, the technology is still in its infancy, and cornstarch packaging does have some problems, primarily connected to inappropriate disposal of the material due to a lack of customer understanding. However, this is not the only plant-based packaging option available. Researchers at the University of Göttingen in Germany have created a substance that resembles styrofoam but is 100% plant-based and has a low environmental impact. Unlike styrofoam and other polystyrene-based packaging materials, which take centuries to degrade and are derived from non-renewable fossil fuels, popcorn is widely available, biodegradable, and can even be composted at home. It also has a high air content, making it an excellent packaging material with excellent insulating capabilities. The university has already signed a licensing agreement with grain and cereal company Nordgetreide for commercial usage of the popcorn packaging method, and is currently working on manufacturing a variety of items ranging from spice jars to cups and plates. Another groundbreaking innovation is mushroom-based packaging. This high-performance and water-resistant packaging is 100% biodegradable and made with only 2 ingredients, hemp herds and mycelium, and can be disposed of in nature within weeks. Despite the fact that the invention was made in 2006, it did not take off until lately. In 2020, Swedish company IKEA decided to begin shipping some of its products using this mushroom-based alternative. This is a tiny but significant move in the right direction to promote this excellent invention around the world, and maybe persuade more firms to follow suit. Number 4. Takeaway packaging made from bamboo. Bamboo, one of the world's fastest-growing woody plants, is another trendy alternative packaging material. It is not only biodegradable and compostable in 2 to 6 months, but it also emits 35% more oxygen into the atmosphere than the same volume of trees. Its strength and flexibility make it a perfect material for use as scaffolding in building, but its renewability and versatility make it an appealing and more sustainable material for packaging firms. Universal BioPack, established in Thailand, manufactures bamboo and cassava-based packaging for restaurants and businesses, in the intention of replacing popular styrofoam and plastic boxes and bags, thereby addressing the plastic waste catastrophe that plagues not only Thailand, but the entire world. The company makes a wide range of products, from trays and bowls to cups and silverware, using bamboo from leftover pieces from the chopstick production process. This is excellent not only for the takeout industry, but also for grocery stores to pack up their fresh food. Universal BioPack recently established a new facility in Bangkok, and more than doubled its personnel in order to enhance monthly capacity from 300,000 to 1 million units. How cool is that? Well, that is all for today's video. We would love to hear from you. What do you think about these sustainable food packaging companies? Do you now better understand the state of the food packaging industry with respect to the environment? If you enjoyed this video, hit like and share the video with your friends to help spread awareness. Also, consider subscribing to our channel for more interesting videos every week. Until the next video, we wish you the best of health.